How bad it could be losing your important documents, especially passport, while traveling to China. Just think once. If you lose your passport in China, do you know what to do? In this short video, we have summarized the procedure for reporting passport loss in China. You will also learn how to obtain new passport and new visa in case of unfortunate loss. Your little appreciation means a lot to the team Learn Chinese with Abdul. So, let's start. Step number 1. Go to the police station where the loss occurred and report the case. Obtain the receipt for reporting to the police issued by the police station. If you do not know where lost, bring your ID or copy of your passport or visa to the police station. If you lost it on a business trip or travel, you can go to the nearest police station of your hotel. Step number 2. Go to the Exit Entry Administration of the local Public Security Bureau and apply for the Certificate of Loss of Foreigner's Passport. You need to prepare documents as follows when applying. Completed report loss form for foreigners' entry and exit documents. 3 2-inch bareheaded color photos. Photocopies of lost or stolen passports and visas, if any. The receipt for reporting to the police. Step number 3. At the embassy or consulate of your country in China, apply for new passport with the Certificate of Loss of Foreigner's Passport. The Certificate of Loss of Foreigner's Passport is a legal proof of staying in China during the period of passport loss, and can be used for traveling by plane or train, as well as checking in a hotel. Therefore, it needs to be properly kept before obtaining new passport. Step number 4. After getting a new passport, go to the Exit and Entry Department of the Public Security Bureau to apply for the corresponding type of visa. You need to prepare documents as follows when applying. The completed visa application form for foreigners. Receipt of visa digital photo collection, signed by the applicant. Original new passport or other international travel documents. Photocopy and original of the Certificate of Loss of Foreigner's Passport. If applying for reissuance of the original visa, in addition to the above mentioned, the applicant should also submit other documents in accordance with the requirements for the corresponding type of visa. Other documents deemed necessary by the Public Security Department. Basically, after completing these 4 steps, you can live in China with your new passport and visa. But it should be noted that the Certificate of Loss of Foreigner's Passport is valid for 30 days. That is to say, you must get a new visa within 30 days. Otherwise, you will be considered as illegal residents and be punished. If you find this information useful, please share with others as well. Subscribe for future informative videos. Regards from the team of Learn Chinese with Abdul.